How to share API key in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Access the API option by clicking on More. Click on API Sharing to proceed. At the upper right corner, select Share API Key. A pop-up will appear. Choose the API partner, driver, truck number, and trailer number. If your partner isn't listed, you can reach out to TruckX customer support for assistance. Confirm your agreement to share the TruckX location sharing API key with the API partner by checking the provided box. This will grant the API partner access to location information for the designated vehicles. Click on Send API Key. Upon completing the setup, you will find the API listed on FMS, and you can locate the positions of both the truck and trailer within the API partner's platform.